everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Quick video. Got put in a predicament today that I certainly did not want to be in. I changed the oil. If I pan down, you can still see the cardboard under there. But it was change oil day. Started draining the oil, and I thought I'd come up to the hood, open up the hood, and start getting prepped for putting oil in. And as a matter of fact, one of the locks seized. So I could not get the hood open. And I started thinking, if I can't get that lock unlocked, I've got oil draining out now. How am I going to get this over to get it fixed? Because there's no way I could reach up there and put oil in there. And honestly, that would have been an ugly situation to be in. I would have had to drill the lock out, and I did not want to do that. Luckily, I got it to, after I put the key in enough times, the piece inside finally went loose and broke. It was seized up. It's this piece right here. This is the part of the lock that goes, it kind of goes back and forth, you know what I mean? So let me open up the hood here. So if I go over here to the lock, you can see it down here. It's this piece right here broke off. If you look down, the screw came out. So might be an easy fix. I think the screw actually broke. Let me move the camera out. I think the screw actually broke. But I just started thinking, because that oil fill is way up here. Right there. And there's no way to get oil in there, because you have to open the hood. So lesson learned, make sure you can get to your oil fill before you start draining your oil. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for watching.